Great day. My name is Greg Durrell. I'm the president and owner of Durrell Design Group. Today we have bids for the 2018 bond project, Phase 2 and 3, interior and exterior improvements for Raines Elementary School. I'm happy to be joined by Ms. Betty Jones with JPS, and we will get to the bids for Raines Elementary. We have one electronic bid for that project, and that electronic bid is from Connerly Construction Incorporated. Reviewing their electronic bid, the proposal form is present and it's signed. They have a certificate of responsibility of 03619-MC. Certificate of responsibility is 03619-MC. They're on page 2 of your bid tab. They have a bid bond from Travelers Casualty and Surety Company. Travelers Casualty and Surety Company. They are a resident contractor. They acknowledge the receipt of Addendum 1. Contract time is provided at 135 days. Base bid, $779,000. $779,000. Subcontractors listed are plumbing, Hoover's Electric; mechanical, Hoover's Electric; electrical, Tony Watson Electric. They have all the necessary attachments with resume and so forth. So that concludes our bid for Raines Elementary. Bid project 3186. That's the 2018 bond project for Phase 2 and 3, interior and exterior improvements for Raines Elementary School. Thank you. Those bids are currently under advisement. Next, we will move to the bid opening for JPS bid number 3187. The project title is JPS 2018 Bond Project, Structural Improvements for Johnson Elementary School. We didn't have any electronic bids. We have 2 paper bids. The first bid is from Ewing and Ray Foundation Services. Certificate of responsibility is 02365-MC. 02365-MC. Proposal forms are present. The proposal form is signed. No bid bond is present. Again, no bid bond is present. They are a resident contractor. They acknowledge the receipt of Addendum 1. Contract time is given at 90 calendar days. Base bid, $293,000. $293,500. $293,500. We have unit prices present. Unit price 1 is an add of $450 per linear foot. Unit price 2 is a credit of $250 per linear foot. Our next bid is from Fountain Construction Company. Certificate of responsibility is 01484-MC. Proposal forms are attached. The proposal form is signed. Bid bond is attached from One Tower Square. One Tower Square is a traveler's casualty and surety company. They are a resident contractor. They acknowledge the receipt of Addendum 1. Contract time is provided at 90 days. Base bid, $298,000. $298,000. Unit price. Unit price 1, add $105 per linear foot. Unit price 2, a credit of $0 per linear foot. Thank you. The bids are currently under advisement, and that concludes the bid opening for JPS bid number 3187, JPS bond project, which is the structural improvements for Johnson Elementary School. Have a blessed day.